Hey guys, what's going on? So a little tool haul video here. So I picked up this Vessel Magnetizer Demagnetizer screwdriver handle set. So it comes with two of them. Part number is X00443, V as in Victor, X as in Xavier, Z as in Zulu, 1. So there's a close-up of it. There's the part number right there. Okay, we're going to get this opened up, so I'll show it to y'all. Alright, so here's the tool itself. So it's red and black unit. I don't know if they have different colors or not. I'll have to take a look, but I think I only saw one set of colors. So it's just red and black. And there's where you insert the screwdriver shaft into. Okay. So it's about the size of your a portion of your thumb. It isn't too bulky. So I saw this on a toolbox tour video. Actually, the ones I saw were by Matco. So I went online and I saw these Vessel ones. Now these do retail on Amazon right now for I believe about $7.99 plus tax. So not a bad price for a 2-pack. So you can, if you buy this, you can, if you have a Phillips and a slotted that you primarily use, you can use these on those. So what I'm gonna do is, so what I got is just a regular standard Phillips head screw. Come on, focus. All right. I've got a variety of screwdrivers here. So little mini Phillips screwdriver, an extra long cabinet screwdriver, another Vessel screwdriver here, and then another number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So normally, so right now, as you can see, it's not magnetized, but so it falls off. So what you essentially would do is insert this into there, and now it's magnetized. And you can hold your fastener onto it, and that's all you'll have to do. So it doesn't matter if you put it up here or back here, it's still magnetized. Now to demagnetize it, I believe you just rub it along here. I think I did that, so maybe try this one. It's magnetized. So now it's not magnetized anymore. And then, so it works a little bit better on this example here. I believe some of the screwdrivers are already kind of preset with magnetized. I don't know if it'll. So it seems that the ones that don't come magnetized, it works really well on, but so as far as the fitment wise, you'd figure that, oh, there you go. Now with it on there, the additional collar on there, it does seem a lot stronger. So that is a good thing. And I believe if you slide it up forward, probably get a little bit more strength out of it. it's still pretty good. You don't even hear it shaking, but if you move it back here, so not a bad investment for $7.99 or $8 or whatever you want to call it. But definitely good to have. I know when you're working on cars and if you're in a tight space, you definitely don't want to lose that fastener, especially if your screwdriver doesn't come magnetized. You don't want to get in there and all of a sudden your screw drops and you can't obviously get your hand in there, or you have to go get a pickup tool. So those are things that, it's an added bonus to have on in those situations. So if you're looking for something to add to your screwdriver set, definitely a good tool to pick up.